Hi, this is Craig Moreland. I'm the president of Coast Label Company. Coast Label Company is a specialty label converter. Our largest vertical market is in the healthcare space. We make labels for medical device manufacturers, medical diagnostic, medical sterilization, and a number of other specialty areas within the medical arena. We also manufacture labels that I would call high-performance industrial, which include Underwriters Laboratories approved labels, but also labels that would go into electronics, aerospace, manufacturing, and other similar kinds of applications. We're a ISO 9001 certified plant, which certifies our quality system. We're members of the Tag and Label Manufacturers Institute, the TLMI, and the TLMI has a ratio report that members participate in every year. And in addition to finding out how we're doing against our peer groups, size and type of company, there's also a little bit of a competition. And the company that does the best on the ratio report in 4 different size ranges wins the Eugene Singer Best Managed Company Award, and we're proud to have won that 4 times.
My name is Drew Moreland, and I run account services, and I also manage the UL and ISO programs here. We love process. For us, process makes for consistency, makes for more efficiency. We probably take it to the extreme, but it gives us a consistent product over and over and over again.
Hello, my name is Doru Brizoy. I'm the Director of Manufacturing here at Coast Label in the beautiful city of Fountain Valley, California. For sure the industry changed a lot, and the need of being able to run small runs, variable information, durable products made us looking into the digital press manufacturers.
We've always been cautious in our adopting of new technology because we need to make sure that it's going to be a good fit for our processes, a good fit for our customer. And we took a number of years to evaluate the type of equipment that we wanted, and just recently made a purchase. We narrowed it down to UV inkjet, but when you buy a press, or any piece of equipment for that matter, it's a partnership between the label converter and your supplier of equipment or materials. We were very impressed with the build quality of the Durst equipment, but I think even more impressed with the history of the company. The company was founded in 1936. They have been located in the same town in northern Italy ever since they were founded. They have been building digital printing equipment for a couple of decades, so they're not new to the game of building this type of equipment. And we felt that they had been around for decades and would continue to be around for decades. And that was important, that we would have a company that we knew we could rely on for training and for service and spare parts, and of course the ink system, which is so critical for any type of digital press.
I was very much in the middle of the digital decision. We created charts and Excel spreadsheets, and we did blind studies, and it was an exhaustive multi-year process, just trying to figure out what would be best for us. I personally first encountered Durst at Label Expo, and I think even back then, probably 4 years ago, 5 years ago, we were all impressed at how it printed. It was beautiful, just very nicely done. And we always thought, oh, that's a great machine. Kind of fast forward years later, we heard about the E, and the E really became a game changer for us in that it now offered what was that high quality printing on the normal Tau, but at a level that now we could get into the game.
The integration of the digital Tau press was awesome. It was the way we were told it was going to happen, and it happened in a very, very nice and professional way. Our Tau is configured along with the GM machine, and in between these 2 machines there's a buffer. also manufactured by GM. So we're able not only to run offline if need be, but we're able to run inline, printing, converting as well. So we can start from raw material to finished product in one shot.
The Durst really allowed us in one sense to say, look, we can deliver you that durable product that you need, but also fulfill your look and your desire that you're now trying to go towards. The Durst has also allowed us to kind of branch into and kind of play in some new markets than we really hadn't worked in before. And it's allowed us to be more efficient in terms of variable printing.
We feel good about our purchase. We're very pleased with how the installation went. We're very pleased with the work that we're producing, and I think it's a great partnership.
We're a happy client of Durst, and I would recommend Durst to anyone.
I was more than impressed by their facility, by their staff. You know, we'd already been sucked into Durst and thought, yeah, this is a great company, and then we learned they're even cooler and more fascinating than we did in the beginning. I'm excited for the future because I think we have a good tool now in our quiver to satisfy customers and go after what we know is coming and what we don't know is coming.